Hey there, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to see how you can add custom fields to your product page so that your customers can customize their orders with custom texts and custom images. So let's say, for example, you are selling this type of custom product where the customer will need to add the photo of their baby and their name. Let's see how to set this up inside of Lightfunnels. So inside of my Lightfunnels account, I need to edit my product so that it has a custom data. So to do this, we are just going to enable custom data. And in here, we get to choose whether we want to add a text, for example, the baby name, or an image for the picture of the baby. So let's start with the name. The name will be baby name, and let's give it a placeholder, for example, Sarah. And then let's add a new option. And this time we are going to add an image for the baby portrait. So baby photo, and let's say just photo. Okay, let's save this. And now we're going to our funnel or our store. This will work the same way with stores. So I have prepared this funnel right here, and let's go ahead and change the product to the custom baby portrait. Now let's save, and let's go ahead and check this funnel in the storefront. So as you can see, there is nothing else I need to do. I'm already able to add the baby name and the baby photo. So for example, baby name is Youssef and baby photo is, there we have it. Now I'm going to buy now, and I'm just going to fill this with test data and confirm the order. All right, now that I have made the order, let's just go ahead and check our admin panel and see how we can find this data inside of the order area. So this is my new order. Let's go inside here, and you can see that I have the baby name and the baby photo. Now I can go ahead and process this order with this information that was provided to me by the customer. So that's how you let your customers customize their product with custom texts and custom images.